Permanent residence is an important milestone, but it's not the finish line. Many green card holders assume that once the requirement is met, US citizenship is automatic. In 2026, that assumption is one of the main reasons naturalization cases are delayed, denied, or flagged. Today, I'll explain the key decisions that quietly determine whether naturalization cases move forward or stops, and why becoming a US citizen is one of the most powerful protections you can obtain. I'm Harry Tapias, CEO and immigration attorney at Loigica. For years, I've guided permanent residents through the naturalization process, and the pattern is consistent. Naturalization isn't just about eligibility. It's about how USCIS evaluates your history, consistency, and judgment across your entire immigration record. When done correctly, naturalization provides near absolute protection against removal and secures your right to vote and fully participate in American civic life. Risk number one, filing without reviewing the full immigration history. One of the biggest mistakes applicants make is treating naturalization as a clean slate. It is not. USCIS re-examines your entire immigration history, entries, prior visas, your green card process, and any inconsistencies. What may have been overlooked before often becomes central at the naturalization stage. That's why review, not assumptions, is critical. Risk number two, travel and physical presence miscalculations. International travel is one of the most common sources of unexpected denials. Applicants often miscalculate continuous residence and physical presence requirements. Even trips taken years ago can disrupt eligibility if they weren't properly documented or analyzed. These aren't technicalities, they are legal thresholds. Risk number three, tax and financial compliance issues. Naturalization is not just an immigration review, it's a credibility review. USCIS closely evaluates whether you've complied with US tax obligations, unfiled or inconsistent income tax returns, unresolved IRS issues, or discrepancies in reporting raise red flags. In 2026, these cross-checks are routine and often surface at the interview stage if not addressed early. Risk number four, good moral character, what USCIS actually looks at. Many applicants misunderstand what good moral character really means. It's not about being perfect. It's about legal compliance over the statutory period. USCIS will assess factors such as filing and paying US income taxes, compliance with child support or alimony obligations, prior arrests, citations, or criminal history, honesty and consistency across all filings. And here's the hopeful part. Having a past issue does not automatically disqualify you. Even permanent residents with prior criminal records or past mistakes may still qualify for US citizenship, depending on the seriousness of the offense, how long ago it occurred, and whether the applicant has demonstrated rehabilitation and good moral character since. Time, compliance, and rehabilitation matter. Risk number five, treating the interview as an afterthought. The naturalization interview is not casual. It's a legal examination of your record, your answers, and your consistency. Unprepared applicants often contradict prior filings without realizing it. Most denials are not about intent. They are about inconsistency. Strategic reframing, what naturalization really is. Naturalization is not just the final step. It's the moment USCIS reassesses everything that came before. In 2026, approval depends less on how long you've waited and more on how aligned, truthful, and well-prepared your record actually is. When done correctly, citizenship gives you security, stability, and permanent place in this country. Most naturalization problems don't come from ineligibility. They come from assumptions made without legal review. At Loigica, we treat naturalization as a strategic legal process, not a form you submit and hope for the best. If you are a permanent resident thinking about US citizenship, the most important step is reviewing your case before filing. Click the link below to find out whether your naturalization strategy is protecting you or putting you at risk.